What's up, guys? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. How y'all doing today? I'm here at Turbo Tech headquarters out here in the warehouse. Lots of stuff. Hey, there's my our forklift. This is where this is the main office in Chattanooga where the dealer's license is held, and we pedal a few cars. Haven't done an update video on my wheels in a couple of weeks, so I just wanted to let you guys know I sold the E300 diesel. Loved it. It was beautiful condition. The paint, the interior, you know, it was all just so nice, but it was so freaking slow. I mean, it'd fly on the interstate, but it was just so slow around town. So I just threw it up for sale, sold it for $3,200 to the first person that came and looked at it. She was thrilled to death. I made $300 on it. Wow. But anyway, we had gotten this car back in here at the dealer, and I did a video on it a couple of weeks ago, so I just wanted to show it to y'all because it is my new ride. Hold on. There she is. She needs a lot of cleaning. And I think she needs a lot of air in the tires. These wheels, even though I love these multi-20 spoke, whatever wheels, they are so badly stained. I know that looks okay in that picture, but I mean, these rear ones, look, I have done everything I possibly can to get that brake dust off, and I just can't get it off. The only thing I haven't done is break out the pressure washer. I've sprayed bleach on it. I mean, I'm at a loss. But this car's gonna need just a little bit of TLC. It runs and drives great. 186,000 miles. The guy we sold it to back 4 years ago, January of 17, he took excellent care of the car. Sorry it's dark, it's 10 o'clock at night, but I just want to give y'all a little quick heads up. There will be more videos to follow. Of course, we'll be doing a driving video, but I went ahead and started cleaning it up some. I've gone ahead and ordered these switches off eBay. They're like $5-6 a piece. So they obviously just pop in and out since that's such a common wear item. Those were perfect when I sold this car 4 years ago. The car, God, this car smells like weed, y'all. Yeah, the previous owner, even though I don't know if it was him or one of his kids he would let, I don't know, but somebody has smoked weed in the car. And my brother doesn't smoke it, and I don't smoke it. And I don't have a thing against it. We just don't like it. But, you know, when you get a car and it's got this many air fresheners in it, look at all them damn air fresheners. Somebody was smoking weed, and I've been Febrezing and cleaning, and it just smells like marijuana. But, oh well, I'll keep working on it. I just hope I don't get stopped. The wiper was broken off, and I put a new wiper arm on. Damn motor's burnt out. So I went to all that effort and didn't even know the wiper doesn't work. This power door, it's got the power hatch. It's iffy. You got to help it. I had to help it that first foot. That's not a problem, but getting the sumbitch to close is a problem. Look at all this cargo space. It's dirty. Lots of cargo space. Lots of weed smell. Got to keep a little oil on hand because she does leak a little oil. Have to add to her a little bit. She leaks more oil as you go down the interstate at higher speeds. I believe it's the rear timing chain cover because the timing chain is on the back of this car. and it is an engine out repair. So it's not going to get fixed. You can forget that. All right, so to close this thing, it kind of hangs up. There you go. Just work, you son of a bitch. So like you can press it and give it a push. There you go. Oh. Press it, give it a push. Come on, go, 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 go. Just go. So yeah, that rear tailgate's iffy. But the body's still in really good shape, y'all. I know y'all can't see shit. I don't know why I'm doing this. But let's start it up. Because, man, one thing she does do is she runs good. She should. Dude has spent so much money on this car over the years. Just a stupid airbag lights on. It was on 4 or 5 years ago when we sold it to the guy. Got freezing cold air conditioning. It's got what I think is a hell of a good 15-year-old nav. Look at that. I mean, all the restaurants and ATMs and, you know, kids crossing to go to school. I think it's pretty good for 06. That's pretty freaking good. I also like the little glove box button here. You press that, and that opens the glove box. I think that's cool as well. Got a Bose stereo. Sounds really good. I don't think the car has Bluetooth, even though the message center keeps prompting me that I don't have a phone connected. I just don't think it's equipped. We got Xenons or whatever they had back in 06. I doubt those are LEDs. Y'all tell me. 3.2 FSI. Runs good. Like I said, the timing chain is on the back side of the motor. So that's how much room you have to work with. So, yeah, that totally blows. But God, just a smooth run. No vibration. Just a darn good looking car, man. And it's got this fairly new set of Hankook Ventus tires. That AC is freezing, which is good since summer's coming. Nice looking tires. Got a good tread on those. Matching all the way around. But like I said, I think they need a little air from the car sitting. But yeah, this is her, man. She's a champ. So, we got a little work to do. Just a little bit. That's okay. And I've got a little Mercedes treat sitting out in the front parking lot that I'll show you guys tomorrow. But y'all have a good night for now, and we'll get some good highway footage of this headed back towards Atlanta tomorrow. I'm closing on my new house Tuesday. Things are just looking good. I hope everything's looking good for y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. I read all comments, so throw a comment. And like if you just like seeing cars and crap. Y'all have a good day. See you. Peace.